How to use templates to bulk send emails and messages. Templates are huge time savers for the whole team. You can create them for tasks assigned to team members, for organizers, contracts, invoices, messages, and emails. Today, we'll focus specifically on email and message templates. Here, I'll create one for a New Year's greeting. I'll set the template name and also use New Year Congratulations as the subject line of the email. To make the message more personal, I'll insert short codes for the client's first and last name. It's important to note the difference. The template name is what your team sees when selecting the template, while the subject line is what the client sees in their inbox. Don't forget to choose the From field as well. Now let's move on to the body of the email. I'll add the same short codes again for personalization, then write out the message. Once the email is ready, I'll save it. Message templates are created in exactly the same way. Next, let's send an email in bulk. From the client list, I'll select the accounts I want to reach, choose Send Email, then select the New Year template we just created. With one step, the message goes out to all selected clients. The same process applies for message templates. If we look at one of the client's account page and go to the Communication tab, you can find the email under the Sent section. You'll see that the placeholders we added have been replaced with the actual client details.